it's Wes.
And Shonda, and welcome to Dink Life. We're here in Warren, Ohio at the Pastimes of Pinball and Video Arcade. It's one price, so it's $20 to get in, and then you can play all the machines for free. This is pretty new.
Yeah, pretty new.
It just opened, and according to the website, there's like 350 different pinball machines in there. So we're going to take you along with us and see what's doing.
Intrigued by like the pinball games that have the video.
Yeah, me either.
I don't know why, but like I mean the table itself looks really.
What am I shooting?
The heads.
That's it?
Yeah. This one doesn't do anything.
It's basketball. Oh, there it goes.
It's weird.
I have no clue who's winning.
Game's over, partner. So futuristic.
So we just got done in the arcade, and it was a lot of fun, actually. I think
Lots of stuff.
for $20 a person, it was pretty good. And yeah, I mean, there's tons of old arcade games, pinball machines, all kinds of things in there. I did see when we walked in that you can get a lifetime membership for $1,500. So, you know, I mean, like, I guess if you want to come here until you die and play
And also
video
you
games.
get basically a little wrist strap too, and you can stay all day, and you can leave and come and go and
Yeah.
eat some dinner and stuff too.
You can stay until they're open, till
Yep.
11 o'clock. So if you're ever out in Girard, I stand corrected, I said we were in Warren, we're actually in Girard, Ohio, then this is a fun place to come out and do something, you know, if the weather's crummy or if you just like video games.
Yeah, and even if it seems busy, the parking lot, it actually wasn't that bad inside.
Yeah, the parking lot's pretty full, but we still pretty much got on every game that we wanted to play. So, you know, that's kind of our look at that place. And just remember, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.